Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design your water bottles with these cute templates from the Canva apps. So here I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and to find the templates you can just swipe here in the toolbar at the top. Just swipe and click on the prints option, then scroll down until you find the water bottles category. Okay, this one. Just click on see all to see all of the available templates. So here you can see there are lots of cute and interesting uh, water bottles design. So this can be print as stickers or maybe print directly to your tumbler. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the design. So here you can change the name here, the text with your own name, so as you can add it to your water bottle. So for example, like this. Then after, you can just print it directly from Canva, or you can just save it and print it later. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.